Hello friends, my name is Parveen and today we are going to enact a play named Cinderella and I am the narrator. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mitali and I am playing Cinderella in this drama. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Megha and I am playing the role of father of Cinderella.
Hello everyone, my name is Hira and I am playing stepmother of Cinderella. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Nargis. I am Nida and we both are playing the role of stepsisters. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nimla and I am playing the role of prince in this drama.
Hello everyone, I'm Nidhi and I shall be playing the role of fairy god in this drama to teach you some lessons. Thank you.
Once upon a time, in a fairy wood, there lived a princess Cinderella. She was very loving, kind and very beautiful. Suddenly, her mother died and she was very sad. Once, when she was missing her mother, her father came from the tomb to see her. Let's see what happened.
Where you went, Mama?
I will see you a lot.
Hello Cinderella, how are you?
Hello father, I'm good.
You are looking sad. Why are you crying?
I'm missing my mother a lot.
Looking at the sad face of Cinderella, her father thought of remarrying. He got her a new mother and two stepsisters. Let's see, will Cinderella find a true love in her new mother and two stepsisters?
Did you start dreaming again?
No, mother.
Then where were you? Where is my breakfast? Where is my tea?
I'm just getting it, mother.
Please get it fast.
Yes, mother.
Mother? Why are you late, Cinderella? You are so slow.
Sorry,
I've been
mother.
waiting.
Oh Cinderella, where are my earrings? Cinderella, where is my tea?
I'm just doing it.
And why my room is not clean?
What?
Just do it.
Her room is not clean? Are you troubling my daughters, my
No,
pretty
mother.
daughters, my poor daughters? You don't like them, I know.
No, I like them.
Then do their work fast,
Yes,
Cinderella.
mother. I will just do it.
Don't worry, baby. Then she'll do, okay? Come.
Cinderella is looking so sad. Let's see who come to see her.
What happened, my child? Why are you crying?
Fairy, is it right to trouble someone so much?
No, my child, it's not right. But you must remember, it is a test. You be strong. You be good to everyone. You will definitely be rewarded.
Thank you, Fairy.
Look, 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 what is in my hand? It's an invitation from a prince for the ballroom party. A prince is in search of his princess. Let's see what happens. Look what I've got. What is it? This is an invitation.
What kind of invitation?
It's an invitation from the prince. He's searching for his princess.
Really? That is amazing.
Have a look. Mother, mother.
Yes, my daughters. What is it?
What we have got. It's
Wow,
an
what is
invitation.
it? Oh wow, it's an invitation from the prince.
Yes.
I am sure one of my beautiful daughters will become a princess. I am so sure about it.
Mother,
Yes, and I'm not your mother. How many times I have to tell you that?
can I also come a ballroom party?
You want to come for the ballroom party? Do you think even Prince is going to look at you? See my beautiful daughter, he's going to look at them. But anyways, if you finish all the housework like cleaning, dusting, then you can come along.
Yes, I will do it.
Okay, Cinderella, then go and do your work. By that time, my beautiful daughters will get ready for the ballroom party.
Oh, Why did mother agree Cinderella to come to the ballroom? Oh, she has a beautiful dress of her mother. I know she will wear that on the ballroom party.
No, I won't wear it.
No. Now what to do?
Now let's spoil it.
Come on, let's go.
Look, my children, did you see how her sisters are going to trouble Cinderella? But did you notice that even if her sisters used to trouble her so much, she used to never complain. All the work of her sisters was done by her with patience. Like Cinderella, we must also learn to have the positive attitude within us.
Cinderella, fix up my hair.
Yes, yes, sister.
Come fast, fix up my hair.
Yes.
Cinderella, fix up my dress. Cinderella, where have you been? Come fast. Cinderella, do my work.
Yes, yes.
Come on, let's go. We are ready for the ballroom party.
What happened, my child? Why are you upset?
Everyone went to a ballroom party and we have so much work to do.
Don't worry, my child. You've been so good to everyone. And so, I have a gift for you.
What gift?
Open it. Your magical shoes.
Oh, it's beautiful, but I have nothing to wear.
Don't worry, just wait and watch. Bibbity bibbity boo, bibbity bibbity boo, bibbity bib. Oh my Cinderella, you're looking so pretty.
Thank you, Fairy, making it so beautiful.
Go my child, have fun.
Thank you.
But remember, my magic will be there for you only till 12 o'clock. You have to be back before midnight, or else my magic will be over. Go my child, have fun.
Fairy.
Wow, Cinderella reached the ballroom party and she is looking very beautiful. Everybody can't stop looking at her. Even the prince can't stop looking at her. Let's see, will the prince ask her for a dance?
Hello, beautiful lady. May I dance with you?
Yes, prince.
Everyone is looking at you.
Oh, everyone is looking at you. You are looking so pretty.
Thank you, Prince.
Wow, how beautiful. Cinderella and prince are dancing with each other. Cinderella completely forgot what fairy had told her. Time is running. It's 12 now.
It's 12 o'clock. I have to leave. I have to leave.
Stop, stop, stop.
What prince? Can't stop Cinderella from going. Look what it is. It's the shoe which Cinderella left while going. Let's see, will the prince find the shoe?
We are able to find my princess. Even I don't know her name.
Poor prince lost his sleep in search of Cinderella. He is going to each and every house, but the shoe doesn't fit. He is very sad. Finally, he comes to the house where Cinderella lives. Let's see, will he found his princess Cinderella? Oh, the prince is going to come each and every one house
Really?
for in the search of her princess.
I am sure about it. The shoes will fit into one of my beautiful daughter's feet. I am really sure. So what is it? This is very dirty clothes. It must be Cinderella's, right? We should throw like this. Yeah. Prince is going to come. We need to kiss. Yeah, yeah. Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome, Prince. They are my beautiful daughters. Hello. Hi. I want to try these shoes. It is stop. It's not get fitted. No, it's fitting. It's not fitting. It's loose. Let's set that.
It has fitted, mother.
Yes, walk and show to the prince. Yes, it's fitting. Not get fitted. Oh, leave it. Can I try? It will fit, I'm sure. No. It's not get fitted. Leave it.
Mother.
Cinderella, how come you are out of the room? I have locked you. Why are you here? Wait. Let her try the shoes. Wow, you get fitted. I found my princess.
Thank you.
Did you see how happy Cinderella was in the end? It was only because she always listened to her heart and never gave up. She was always happy and she did good to everyone. Like her, we must also learn to be good to everyone, come what may.
Thank you.
Thank you.